you are facing this issue, fix policy violation to prevent app updates from being rejected. Your app does not adhere to Google Play developer program policies. Fix violation before December. Then you have to just go to the Unity Unity Hub. If your editor version is less than 2022.3.6, then you have to update your projects. Like if you are using Unity 6, then you have to install the upper version of Unity 6. And if you are using Unity 2022, then you must have to update your Unity version from this. I am using currently Unity 2022.362 F3, like this. You can check this is the latest version. So all the previous versions are now unsecure, so you must have to update your Unity editors from install editor, and then you can check here which one you like. Currently this is the latest one, so I am using this one. And if you are using Unity 6, then you must have to install recommended version, because it is bug free, so try to use this one. Okay, then you can check here that it is violation. So I currently updated my project. You can check here. I updated my project. Now I will just build my project by going there and just starting build. Also one more thing, before making build you must have to check that your API level, minimum API level, you can check on API level 23, but I prefer API level 24, so I just check this and highest installed, and my highest installed API is API level 36, and you can check it. Go to assets, then go to go to edit, then go to preferences, and you can check your SDK tools. You can use your SDK if it is installed with Unity, but mostly SDK folder is creating bugs, so I just copy my SDK like this. You can copy your SDK path and you just paste it here, and you have to copy all these folders from here and just go to your C folder and create a folder, new folder like this, and name it to the Android, and just go to here, create new folder SDK, and paste your all files here. Okay, after pasting it, then you come here and just uncheck it from here, and you have to go to the C folder, Android SDK, just copy this path. Okay, copy it from here and paste it here. Okay, then it will create no issues. Then you simply go and start making build. Yes. After making your build, you just have to go your build folder where you have taken your build, then you just have to put your build here. When it is uploaded, when it will be uploaded, now when you uploaded your build successfully and it is gone published, then you can check it here. You can go to the monitor and improve, and then go to program policy and programs, then check your policy status. Wow, your issue is resolved. You can check it here.